Wow, it's hot, melting like butter, melting of the ice cream. Oh wow, them some yeah. Oh my god, it's so good. It's at jugs. The chocolate hot. Remember some people on the table, man. Let's get down in this now. I thought you said you never want none. Eh?
Some people don't watch you eat up all of this.
Yeah. No, cause I really don't want to eat so much, so that's good. Oh my gosh, it's so good. The chocolate hot on it. Oh, this is so good. This is not good. What is that?
So it's sweet to the mouth.
Yeah, bitter to the belly, right? Doing 3 pounds in this.
But disaster is not doing our belly.
Mighty God, this nothing nice so. Boy, what the chocolate? I mean now. No sir. I put a wacky and go so. My belly full, I want to eat too much now. Very full. Leave this. I'm not eating off everything. We're on a diet and we're watching our weight. Look how much chocolate leave back, and I'm telling you, it is so good. The ice cream finished, leave the chocolate, and we just decided to done with that. What?
Take one last go, you know.
I'm done. I'm well full.